Okay, so now we're gonna explain about some freelancer in order to help us to facilitate our YouTube content creation. So the first tool is, as per Sunny's video, she also recommend Fiverr. I've used Fiverr for at least 6 years. So yeah, it's a very good thing. So we can create YouTube thumbnail. For example, I've saved a few. So we can find a few people to create some YouTube thumbnail. Maybe they can create something like that. Might be amazing. So we can outsource some for them and we'll see which one is better. If they can create for 20 ringgit, around 25 ringgit for one. If it's more efficient, then we use them. Time is money. So this is their sample of thumbnail. So we're gonna continue and pay for it. So I'm confirm. And as for the video editing, some of the video, if we need so we can use their service as well. As per Sunny's recommendation, there might not be amazing videos editor, but then they serve the purpose to compare with us. Okay, for example, I have seen these two guys. So this is their sample of videos. Definitely you can research and see whoever is a decent player, a decent editor, and yeah, provide a good price. But then in order to achieve video like that, we need to have definitely we need to have a good shooting skill as well. That one is definitely that one have a few cameras. So ours is like more basic.
Okay, listen,
Might be
YouTube.
this.
We about to do a prank, teddy bear prank for my mama. So, we trying to get how many likes? How many likes y'all want to get on the video?
Trying to get at least 100. Trying to get 100 likes.
We need at least 100 likes.
So those intro outro they might do it, but this is not a good practice. For us, we definitely, like just as Sunny's video, we need to have a very short intro before, because client or the audience will not spend 11 seconds to reach here. They want to have a short explanation. For example, hey guys, do you know what's the secret of getting blah 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 blah? Then after you finish this one, only go into the intro. The typical example we can see in a while for the from the Sunny's video.
As you're aware, we're on lockdown. I've not been able to go to the gym, so I've decided to be doing this home workout video series for you. So if you like the video, smash the like button. If you don't like the video, still smash the like button.
Okay, but then yeah, definitely we are talking about the explanation, the editing. So Fivers, we can consider using them to speed up our content creation purpose, especially for editing. The most important thing, we need to create valuable, good video content. Editing we can outsource, no problem. And for the some graphic designs, so this is another one. definitely it's up to you guys to search for a better one. Those are like a few of the advanced skills.
So today I just wanted to talk about the 3 reasons why I currently prefer YouTube ads versus Facebook ads. So if you're a real estate agent and you've been doing
Okay, it's a funny makeup, but then yeah, so they're doing some sort of editing. So select from their portfolio and pick a good one. So this is about Fiverr, and definitely apart from Fiverr, we can also search from freelancer.com and Upwork. And there's another one called freelancer.com. So they are slightly more expensive, but then you can still search for video editors and excuse me, check for the pricing and ask for their portfolios. We need to have, because speed and time is money. Okay, now we are going to explain about the transcript. So for YouTube video, it's very important to have a transcript. Okay, very important to have a transcript. So a lot of people recommend Ref. Ref is a transcript and caption service, which is they charge one minute for around 5 to 6 ringgit per video. So they can provide transcript and caption, English transcript and caption for us. For foreign subtitle, we think it's a bit too expensive, so we're gonna do it ourselves. And in Trello, we have stated how to put a transcript. So for English one, save time, we use them. For non-Chinese one, or non-English language, unless we can find someone, or else we need to do it ourselves. So this is the ref. There's a 99% accuracy and transcript in 12 hours. So time is money, so we're gonna do it. Unless you want to use automatic transcript, it's cheaper, but then it's not that accurate. But if you want to use automatic transcript, YouTube have that function. You can just click automatic transcript. If you want to know more, we have stated in the Trello under the transcript. Okay, so how to create automatic transcript here? The video is here, everything is prepared. And order English transcript here, this is ref. You just click here and then you can directly go into there. And we're gonna use them. And